An important question to ask yourself: what do you want from life? For most students, the answers are likely to be to graduate with a good degree, have a successful career, a big house, a nice car, and a happy family. Some people have all of this but still want more. It's human nature that whoever we are, however much we have, we're never satisfied. For example, an innovator, Eamon Husk, a billionaire and the CEO of many enterprises, is hailed as one of our generation's most innovative entrepreneurs, who's driven by big goals and personal interests. Despite facing challenges and public doubt, Eamon Husk has built several industry-disrupting businesses, and he's known for shooting for the moon, or more literally, Mars, and he still wants more. And believe it or not, you'll end up experiencing these never-ending wants, just like Eamon Husk. Economists argue human wants never stop. Wants are unlimited or infinite. This brings us to our economic problem. Scarcity, when the supply of a resource cannot meet its demand. Human wants may be infinite, but resources are limited. Resources such as money, time, and raw materials such as wheat, oil, and coal. When there aren't enough resources, economists call these scarce resources. So the scarcity problem means there aren't enough resources to meet the demands or wants of the people. It's no surprise, therefore, that the economic problem is also called the scarcity problem.